of duty. At Hollard Life, our core purpose is to enable better futures. We ask ourselves, what does a better future truly look like? A better future, in our view, is one where individuals and families are able to face life's most difficult moments with dignity, resilience, and peace of mind, without the added burden of financial pressure. This is why Umoyo Funeral cover matters. It leads us to the heart of today and to the simple, profound truth that guides us. Grief is unavoidable. Pressure, as far as possible, can be avoided. For families and individuals across all walks of life, the pressure that follows a loss can be overwhelming. It can shatter stability and erase years of hard work. Our role is to stand in the way of that pressure. Umoyo is that stand. It is a practical, accessible promise. When the unavoidable happens, financial pressure will not add to that pain. This relaunch is about transforming a product into a pillar of community strength. We are building on Zambia's beautiful tradition of togetherness and giving it a new, reliable form. We are empowering a culture of confidence where every individual can look forward knowing their loved ones are safeguarded. Through this partnership with Airtel Money, we are using the platform to extend protection to those who continue to be excluded or underserved by traditional insurance models. With just a mobile phone, customers can access cover quickly, affordably, and with ease. By dialing *115# and selecting option 7, customers can activate cover in minutes and maintain protection through regular, affordable payments via Airtel Money. Importantly, Umoyo also offers or allows individuals to extend cover beyond themselves to family members, loved ones, and those they care for, reflecting the strong culture of collective responsibility that defines us as Zambians. This launch speaks directly to national priorities around financial inclusion, digital transformation, and microinsurance growth, as championed by government and key regulatory and development institutions in the country. Through Umoyo, we are reaffirming our commitment to reliability and trust. Hollard Life is committed to honoring claims efficiently and responsibly, ensuring that when support is needed most, it is delivered without delay or unnecessary competition. We are here to ensure that caring for your loved ones is not a reactive burden, but a proactive act of love. Therefore, today is a reaffirmation. It's a reaffirmation of the peace of mind we offer, security that is within reach, clarity instead of confusion, and a future where the weight of uncertainty is lifted from the shoulders of Zambians across the divide. Grief is unavoidable. Pressure, as far as possible, can be avoided. On behalf of Hollard Life Zambia, I would like to thank our partners at Airtel Money, our regulators, stakeholders, and all those who have supported this journey. We look forward to continuing to build solutions that enable better futures for individuals, families, and communities across the country. I'm proud to officially welcome Umoyo into the Hollard Life family. I thank you all.
Thanks, Paul. Guys, is this not exciting? Do you not find this exciting? You know, I think this product is groundbreaking. When you think of expanding, a coverage, we've now included the payment platforms and the optionality rather to include and pay on behalf of other people. I just find that so exciting, where they have a gardener or in-house help and various other peoples and families that matter to you. I find it truly remarkable. Very great product, and it just goes to show, around us, being the helping hand in moments of grief. And with that said, I'd like to welcome our Airtel, the country director, Andrew Chuma.
Good morning, everybody. Oh, yeah, at least I can tell you have eaten some breakfast, right? Just waiting for the next one, eh? Okay, welcome on. The Registrar, Pensions and Insurance Authority, the Chief Executive Officer, Holland Life Zambia, distinguished partners and stakeholders, members of the press, distinguished invited guests, ladies and gentlemen, colleagues from Airtel and Holland. It gives me a great pleasure to welcome you to this important occasion as we officially relaunch the Umoyo Funeral cover on the Airtel Money platform. So it's done well. It's not that it has any other issue, it's just that it has moved now to Holland, and that's why we are relaunching it, right? Today's event is a relaunch, not of a new product, but of a renewed partnership and strengthened ecosystem. The Umoyo Funeral Life cover remains the same in purpose, value, and customer benefits, but with transitioned ownership from Absa Life to Holland Life. The transition marks an important milestone in the evolution of the product and reinforces our shared commitment to delivering accessible, reliable, and digitally enabled solutions to Zambian families. Loss is an inevitable part of life, just as Pastor Paul has said, yet it often comes when families are least prepared, economically and emotionally. The financial burden that follows can place immense strain on households at a time when dignity, support, and peace of mind matters most. And that's where the Umoyo Life cover comes in, right? So you don't have to think about it. As long as you have the Umoyo Life cover, you are sure that you'll give your fellow people a dignified send-off when that time comes. It is for this reason that funeral cover is not just an insurance product. It is a social safety solution. It is about preparedness, it's about dignity. And it's about protecting families during the most vulnerable moments. The Umoyo Funeral cover was designed with this reality in mind. At Airtel Money, our role is to bridge access gaps using technology. We believe that financial protection should not be complex, expensive, or inaccessible. Through our digital platforms, we are enabling millions of Zambians to access essential financial services conveniently, affordably, and securely. This relaunch reflects that mission. While the product remains unchanged, we are pleased to formally welcome Hollard Life Zambia as a new product owner. Hollard Life Zambia, with the support of Inclusivity Solution, our technology partners, brings strong technical expertise, a customer-focused approach, and a shared vision of expanding insurance access through digital innovation. This partnership ensures continuity, sustainability, and long-term value for our customers while strengthening the overall product offering. By leveraging the Airtel Money platform, customers are able to access insurance services directly on their mobile phones, removing traditional barriers such as paperwork, distance, and complexity. This is what true digital financial inclusion looks like in practice. Through Airtel Money, we are not just enabling transactions, we are enabling financial resilience. We are transforming insurance from a distant concept into a practical everyday solution that supports households, strengthens communities, and contributes to national financial inclusion goals. This relaunch therefore represents more than a change in product ownership. It represents a strengthened commitment to collaboration, innovation, and customer centricity. A commitment by Airtel Money to providing digital rails that enable access, a commitment by Hollard Life to deliver reliable protection, a commitment by Inclusivity Solutions to promote a technical, resilient platform, and a shared commitment to improving the lives of Zambian families. Thank you to our partners for your collaboration. Thank you to our teams for your dedication. And most importantly, thank you to our customers for trusting Airtel Money and Hollard Life Zambia to support you and your families. Thank you. Thank
you for that. I'd really like to highlight, a as part of that speech, a commitment. It came out very strongly. It came out a number of times in the manner in which the parties that are working on this venture, the commitment that they have to serving the underserved. As part of the process that we were engaging in, putting together testimonials, we'd find that in some of those, where it means a lot, it has meant a lot to our people and individuals who have claimed in the past, is that despite the technological challenges that they had with video conferencing facilities, we have created a very simple platform for people to be able to pay and to be take this forward and ensure that they are covered. With that said, if we may dim the lights for a little bit, we'd like to show a short demo that really shows how simple it is to sign up, and just from a user experience point of view, that journey and how simplified it is.
Life is full of beautiful moments, and every day brings something new. That's where Umoyo Funeral cover comes in. Step 1. Load just 20 kwacha into your Airtel Money wallet, then dial *115# on your Airtel line. Select option 7 for savings and insurance, option 2 for insurance, option 1 for health and life insurance, and finally, option 1 for Umoyo Funeral cover. Prepare once and stay ready. With Umoyo on Airtel Money, keeping your cover active every month means peace of mind whenever life happens. Let's work together. Pay ahead by covering your family for 10 months, and we will cover them for 2 months for free. Dial *115# today. Umoyo uwama when pressure is fancy.
Quick, simple, and very easy. How's that for a product, eh? Quick, simple, we can really go through a whole demo in a minute. And, I think what stands out mostly as part of that tutorial and demonstration that we went through is the last page. And I think there's something exciting that we're doing, and in our attempt to hold our community's hand, we are saying we will walk the journey with you. And with that said, I'll call on Mr. Charles Banda to announce what it is that we are doing to have some skin in the game and ensure that we're not just walking, we're not just talking the talk, we're walking the walk with yourselves. Charles.
You just threw it on me, but it's okay. Good morning. Yeah, so I know some people might be asking, what new things are you bringing when you are relaunching this product? I think you saw it there, very clear. The Umoyo product is 20 kwacha per month, and it's very simple. What is the cover like? The cover is 7,500 kwacha for the main member and the spouse. And you can't find that anywhere in this market. It's one of the best products that we have in the market, and I would like to challenge and encourage each one in here before we leave, you can access this product. But what are we bringing to the table today as we are relaunching? So what we have done is we are saying if you can pay for 1 year, 12 months, which is 20 kwacha, by 12, it gives you 240 kwacha. So what we are saying is you take that policy, pay for 12 months, will give you a discount of 40 kwacha. You only pay for 200 kwacha. Clap for me, please. That's the incentive that we are giving. So if you can buy this policy today, you only pay 200 kwacha. And if you want to pay for 6 months, we still give you another discount. We'll give you a discount of 20 kwacha. If you want to pay for 3 months, we'll also give you another discount of 10 kwacha. So that's the added benefit that we're having. What is the other benefit? I think we have heard from our customers saying, look, some of the customers are saying the company covers me from work, I've got a group life, I've got a funeral. So what we are saying is, most of us here, we have co-workers that work for us at our home or at our farms. So we are saying we have added another feature which we call buy for others. So you can actually buy this policy and include your workers, because at the end of the day, when you lose, when your relative, or not a relative, when your worker loses a relative or you lose your worker, the pressure comes on you. So what we are saying is, you can actually buy for your farm worker, you can buy for your garden boy, and those are the two major features that are coming with the launching of the product. So I think the media people, please help us spread that news, and I would encourage everybody before they leave this place to buy this policy. I've bought it already. I mean, I've got it. Every time it expires, I actually renew immediately. So I'm encouraging everybody to take this opportunity, because you will not find this kind of a product anywhere in this market. Thank you very much. But before I sit, clap for me. Thank you.
Thanks for that, Charles. And I think, going back to the point you had mentioned around commitment and commitment that we have to serving the underserved, we are committing to that, and we're saying that, we'll help you, insure for 10 months, and we'll insure for the other 2. And that's essentially what we're saying here, that, pay ahead, and you'll pay for 10 months, and then we'll pay for the other 2 on your behalf. That's the commitment that we are making here today. In closing, I'd really like to highlight some of the main points that we mentioned today. Sign up. Very simple. The platform that we have, it's very efficient in terms of getting through that. The claims process. Again, very simple process. Payments, another simple process. So we've made this easy. I hope that short video that we put up really crystallizes that journey and just shows how simple it is to sign up, to remain as a client, and then secondly, the measures that we've gone to broaden the net, to ensure that we're ensuring financial resilience across the board. We're opening it up. You can pay for others, firstly. Secondly, we are co-insuring with you, if you want to look at it that way, by you pay for 10 months and then we pay for the remaining 2 on an annual basis. And with that said, we have reached the remainder the end of our program, and thank you everybody for being here. Before we close off that, I'd like to invite Rose and Mwansa to come in as we officially, put on a dotted line in terms of the partnership and the product that we're launching today, relaunching. So we can, Andrew and Paul.
Umoyo Funeral cover ya mwela. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover taleta. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Dial *115# and choose option 7. It's your gateway, right on Airtel money. Continuous payments keep you active all the way. Umoyo Funeral cover is for the greater family. Precious into Umoyo Funeral cover ya abuela. Salida precious into Umoyo Funeral cover taleta. Salida grief is is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Oh no, grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Oh, you feel no cavani. Precious into Umoyo Funeral, Kabaya Buena, Salivana. Precious into Umoyo Funeral, Kabaya Salivana. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Dial star 115 hash and choose option 7. It's your gateway, right on Airtel money. Continuous payments keep you active all the world. Umoyo Funeral cover is for your friends and family. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, abuela. Salilana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, daleta. Salilana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure
Airtel, Hollard colleagues, if you know, you're more than happy to come take pictures. I love pictures, so if you don't, I'll take all of them. It's okay.
precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, abuela. Salilana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, daleta. Salilana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Dial star 115 hash and choose option 7. It's your gateway, right on Airtel money. Continuous payments keep you active all the world. Umoyo Funeral cover is for your friends and family. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, abuela. Salilana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, daleta. Salilana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Umoyo Funeral cover need a solution in my life. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, abuela. Salilana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, daleta. Salilana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Dial star 115 hash and choose option 7. It's your gateway, right on Airtel money. Continuous payments keep you active all the world. Umoyo Funeral cover is for your friends and family. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover, abuela. Salilana we. should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Umoyo Funeral can be a solution in my life. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover ya buena. Salirana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover taleta. Salirana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Dial star 115 hash and choose option 7. It's your gateway, right on Airtel money. Continuous payments keeps you active all the way. Umoyo Funeral cover is for your friends and family. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover ya buena. Salirana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover taleta. Salirana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Umoyo Funeral can be a solution in my life. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover ya buena. Salirana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover taleta. Salirana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be. Dial star 115 hash and choose option 7. It's your gateway, right on Airtel money. Continuous payments keeps you active all the way. Umoyo Funeral cover is for your friends and family. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover ya buena. Salirana we. Precious even to Umoyo Funeral cover taleta. Salirana we. Grief is unavoidable, pressure should not be.